We are going through exercise 6b, and in this video I'll be going through question 3b, which says, for each of the following, divide the polynomial, so this right here, by the accompanying linear expression, this right here, and hence show the linear expression is a factor of the polynomial. So when it says factor, that means once we perform our division, we should not get a remainder. So there should be no remainder. I'm going to be showing you two techniques to perform this division. One is your customary traditional polynomial long division, and the other is a shortcut called synthetic division, which we can use because our divisor is monic and linear. But we don't really need to concern ourselves much with this shortcut. It is far, far more important. It is essential that you know how to do polynomial long division. So let's get straight into that. Let's begin by writing down what we have. So we have our divisor of x plus 4. We are then going to divide our dividend 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 14x minus 24. We are then going to go, how many times does x go into 2x cubed? It goes in 2x squared. Then, let me just come down a bit. Then we go 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. Then we go 2x squared times 4 is plus 8x squared. Then we subtract, and we put a line here. These are going to go away, and I'm going to get 6 minus 8 is negative 2x squared. I then carry down this term, negative 14x. I then just repeat the process. How many times does x go into negative 2x squared? It goes in negative 2x time. I then multiply. Negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times 4 is negative 8x. I then perform my subtraction. Put a line under here. These go away. I'm going to get negative 14x plus 8x, which is going to mean I'm going to wind up with negative 6x. So remember, because I have a negative here and a negative here, that becomes a positive. So it's 14 plus 8 is 6, and then don't forget your x. I then am going to carry down this term. So I'm going to get negative 24. How many times does x go into negative 6x? It goes in negative 6 times. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times 4 is going to be negative 24. I then perform my subtraction. Whoops. These are going to go away, and then I'm going to get negative 24 plus 24. And as you can see, I get a remainder of 0, which we should have expected because we were told that our divisor is a factor. So therefore, this is our final answer. If you can do that, you are fantastic. And you should trust in your ability to do it. That is the takeaway message. What I'm going to show you now is just a bit extra. So this is synthetic division, so we're going to do it again, but I'm just going to show you it's a bit shorter if we do it this way. I'm going to move a bit quicker through it since I've shown a more detailed explanation in previous videos. But what we do is we get x plus 4, and what we put here is negative 4 because that's our root. We then put an upside down division sign, then we put a line underneath it. We then write down the coefficients of our dividend, so it's going to be 2, 6, negative 14, and negative 24. I'll just extend this line out a bit. We then zoom in. Let's zoom in here. Let's do some maths. The first thing that we always do is drop down the first one. So this is going to become 2. Then I'm going to go negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Then I'm going to go 6 plus negative 8 is negative 2. Then I'm going to go negative 4 times negative 2 is 8. Then I'm going to go negative 14 plus 8 is going to be negative 6. Negative 4 times negative 6 is going to be positive 24. When I plus these, I get 0. The last one right here is my remainder. So the fact that it's 0 makes perfect sense because we know that x plus 4 is a remainder, is a factor rather. Then we can write down our answer as 2x squared minus 2x minus 6. And that is exactly what we got previously. So as you can see, nice and easy. Much quicker than our other way, but it's actually far important that you know this way than this way. So hopefully this has been helpful to you.